Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a pocket-friendly spice rum liqueur with an expensive taste and flavor profile. To start your liqueur, what you want to do is you want to bring some water to a boil, and once that's boiling, I'm just going to add in my brown sugar. Now I prefer brown sugar to white sugar. Has a lot of natural flavors as opposed to refined sugar. So what you want to do, you want to just continue to stir this until your sugar is fully dissolved before you add in your spices and flavorings. My sugar is fully dissolved, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to reduce the heat from high to its lowest point, and I'm going to be adding in my flavorings. So today I'm going to be adding in cinnamon sticks, star anise, freshly grated nutmeg, allspice powder. Now I would preferably use whole allspice, but I don't have any, so I'm using the powder. 2 whole cloves, whole cardamom pod, and some freshly grated Tonka Bean. So all these flavorings help to impart a lot of depth, earthiness, and warmth to your liqueur. And lastly, I'm adding in some orange peel. This gives it a slightly bitter undertone with a citrus note. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch off the heat, cover this, and allow it to steep before I mix it into my rum and my other extracts. Right, so our sugar and water mixture here is at room temperature. So what I'm going to do now is combine it with the rum and the 2 extracts. Now at this point you can strain off the whole spices, but I actually prefer to leave it in because I like to see it in the rum. So let me just add my cinnamon and add in here. Now you see the color that the sugar and the spices gives your rum liqueur. So from here I'm adding in my orange extract and my vanilla extract. Both add and help to enhance the flavors already present in my rum liqueur. Now of course, the options here of flavorings and spices that you could add to your own rum liqueur is endless. It really depends on your preference. Let me get a glass with some ice and pour out some. One last mix. I'm just going to strain it over. And you could just drink this on ice. You can make a nice little cocktail with it. Options are endless.